this short video, I'm going to show you how to make text spin in Wix. Now, if you take a look at my website right here, you will see that I have three different texts. And the reason for that is because there's three different ways you can make text spin in Wix. And over the next 2 or so minutes, I'm going to show you how to do each one. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and then click on your text to highlight it. Once you've done that, a bunch of different options are going to appear either to the top of the text or below it, depending on positioning. And the button that I want you to click on is this animation button right here. Now, when it comes to the animations, you can choose from three different ones: entrance, loop, and scroll. The entrance animation basically refers to when the user first comes across the text. In my case, since this is on the home page, the users will pretty much come across the text right away. So that will be the entrance animation. It's a one-off. Then you have a looping animation, which is pretty self-explanatory. It continuously loops. And then we have a scroll animation, which is basically an animation where the text will be animated upon scrolling. So let me show you how to do each one. Now, in this video, we are going to be making the text spin. So let's do the entrance for the spin, which is right here. So as you can see, it looks like this. We just spin it again. There we go. This is the default, by the way. If you want to customize it, you can press this customize button right here, and then you can pretty much customize anything that you want, from the motion style to the spin to the direction to the duration, and then there's a delay right here if you want to add that. And to save, simply exit out of it, and that'll be pretty much it. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and add the remaining spinning animations. So let me just find them. So you can see this one's right here. And then I'm going to save this one. And then I'm going to do this one right here for the scrolling, which will be right here. And then I'm going to customize it so that it's preview on scroll. That way we can see the animation in motion once we start scrolling. So we're going to save, and then let's preview the website and see all the different ways you can make text spin in Wix. So as you can see, that was the entrance animation right here. Let me reload it quickly so you can see it again. And yeah, this is what it looks like. This one here is basically a constant looping spin. It will never stop for as long as you're looking at this website. And then this one here basically reacts on scroll. So as soon as I start scrolling, as you can see, the text is spinning with my scroll. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all three ways to make text spin in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.